Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are well. Today we will play a quiz. And don't worry, this is very easy and interesting. You will be having 5 seconds to answer each questions. And at the end of this video, you will tell me your score. So let's begin. I hope you all will enjoy. So here is the first question. What is force? A. Pull. B. Push. C. Pull and push both. And D. None of this. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. What's the correct answer? Yes, it's a C. Pull and push both. Now the second question is, what is a state of motion? A. Position of rest. B. Position of motion. C. Both by the state of rest or motion. And D. None of this. Time starts now. 5, 4, 2, time up. What's the correct answer? C. Both by the state of rest or motion. Third one, the strength of force is expressed by A. Weight, B. Mass, C. Magnitude, and D. Yes. So what's the correct answer? It's C. Magnitude. Let's begin with the fourth one. The force between two charged bodies is called A. Muscular force. B. Yes. C. Magnetic force. D. Electrostatic force. And your time starts now. 5, 2, time up. What's the correct answer? It's D. Electrostatic force. Fifth one, when two forces act in opposite directions, then the net force acting on that. A. Sum of two factors. B. Difference between two factors. C. Both of this. Or D. None of this. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. What's the correct answer? B. It's difference between two factors. Are you ready for the next one? Okay. Sixth one. Magnetic force is A. Contact force. B. Non-contact force. C. Both A and B. And D. None of this. You are having only 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What's that? Yes, very good. It's non-contact force. Let's begin with the seventh one. Force acts on an object may change A. Direction, B. Shape, C. Speed, D. All of the above. You are having only 3 seconds. 3, 2, time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? All of the above. Now next one. Leaves or fruits fall on the ground due to magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force, or D. Muscular force. And the correct answer is yes, very good. It's a gravitational. Ninth. Complete the sentence. Friction always A. Helps the motion. B. opposes the motion, C, both of this, D, none of this. So the correct answer is yes, it always opposes the motion. Next question, which one of these characteristics does a smooth surface has? A, less frictional force, B, more frictional force, C, sometimes less, sometimes more, D, all of the above. So the correct answer is having a less frictional force. Next one, friction is A, contact force, B, non-contact force, C, magnetic force, D, none of the above. You are having 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, time up. What's the correct answer? The correct answer is A, contact force. 12th one. What kind of substances are known as lubricants? A, which increases the friction, B, which decreases the friction, C, increase or decrease, and D, none of this. So what's the correct answer? Yes, which decreases the friction. Then 13. Fluid are A, gases, B, liquid, C, gas and liquid both, and D, none of them. Yes, what is the correct answer? It's C, gas and liquid. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, 14th one. On what force of friction depend? On what force of friction depend? A, smoothness of surface, B, roughness of surface, C, inclination of surface, and D, all of the above. You are having 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes, what's the correct answer? It's all of the above. Now are you ready for last 2 questions? Let's see. When moving along a curved path, he blank leans inward, lean outward, or lean sideways. What's the correct answer? Yes, it's leans inwards. Last question. Rolling friction is smaller than A, sliding friction, B, static friction, C, fluid friction, and D, all of the above. You are having 5 seconds to think about it. 5, 4, 3, time up. What's the correct answer? It's all of the above. So here we are ending, and you will tell me your score in comment section. Thank you and have a great day. Congratulations to pass this quiz successfully.